Yep, so I was bored today. So finally got my car tinted. It's not gonna be my daily car no more, so it's gonna be a car like kind of like the camper, preserve it. But car show. I want to make it into a car show. I mean, shit, I can't even talk. I'm tired again. Basically, a show car. I'm gonna have to order the custom bumper. Dreams plus work equals success. I dreamed about it. Success. I never dreamed about success. I worked for it. A YouTube channel. So basically I went 5% all around and 35 on the windshield. So another mod done to the G35.